Welcome to English Hashtag. So in this video I will share with my journey and that how I motivate myself to learn English. um, I will narrate some my past incident. That was my college time incident, and uh, me and my friend was just standing in college, and it was a technical college, and uh, however, I studied up to 12th in Hindi medium, and only we studied in English only in college. So somehow it was tough for us because it always in your mind that you are from Hindi medium, but it's some technical terms, because of some technical words and technical studies, it was manageable. And when me and my friend was standing in college, and one of our classmate just came to us, and she just told us that have you any pink dress, so we will wear tomorrow we will wear pink dress. And you can't realize that that time we didn't know about the meaning of that sentence. If I think about myself, that how was I, and still I was not aware that now I should concentrate, or I should improve my communication. And second incident was that when I completed my college, and I was find job. And I saw a ad in newspaper. It was a call center job, but it was in English call center job. So I was very overconfident, and I thought that I can do very easily. uh, I went there, and interviewer asked me to that, tell me about your city, where are you from, and tell me anything. And you can't realize that I wanted to say so many things about my city, but that time I couldn't speak one sentence. And that realized to me that how communication is very important. And in all the incidents, from all the incidents, I motivate. And uh, uh, meanwhile I joined coaching, but that coaching was not very beneficial for me, because in that coaching they gave me some topic, and we have to speak about that. And I was thinking that all the things I can do at home. In this video I will share with you some technique, that how can you improve your English at home, and when you have no any partner. So this technique, if I talk about myself, this technique helped me so much. So this movie story name is Karva. In this movie there is a boy who does his IT job, but reluctantly, because thanks to his father he has to do job. And his mainly his passion was photography, but because of his father he has to do. And that job was very monotonous for him, but he has to do that job. And one day suddenly he got a call from a traveling company. His father was traveling for a pilgrim journey, and that bus got accident. And first he was just disheartened, and slowly he reminisced all the things that with his father. And it shows that how his father just pursued him for to do IT job, and not follow for his passion, which was photography. And meanwhile when all the things happen, he get to know that due to some mix up, or due to some misunderstanding, his father body was changed with someone else, and if he has to get his father body, he has to go for body Bangalore to Kochi traveling, and with him his friend was Shokat also, and somehow a teenager girl, Tanya, she also joined them, and although all three are different, but that trip helps them to sometime funny and sometime emotional moments, and that trip helps all of three, that how we can find any funny moment, and how in a unexpected situation. So this journey became for all of three very special. Although all three are different, yet they learned so many things from this journey, because they learn that how life can change, and how emotions we should control, and mistake we can learn mistakes from their past. So so many things that all of the three learned, and at the end Avinash got his father's body, and he did all last rites.